Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on notifications on TikTok. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Then tap on your three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on notifications. Next, tap on push notifications. After that, turn on show notifications icon. So, this is how you can turn on notifications on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.